You see that little guy right there? See that little guy? Should I kill him? I don't know. He's too small. It's hard to tell what kind of snake he is. Is he a garter snake? Or a good? If it's copperhead, I don't want a poisonous snake around. I don't know. Looks like a garter snake, but what if it's a baby copperhead? Good morning. Good morning, Joey. You want to go see your new friends in the house today?
Yeah, they're ready. They're wanting to play. They're looking at those toys thinking, wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
I had to move schools.
how cute is
I don't know
this?
anyone here. Everything keeps changing. Why is this
They're
happening?
Smokey and Esther.
I'm sure glad you're here.
Oh, okay.
That's what Kathy named them.
There's a child in foster care.
Yeah.
They're still nursing.
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Oh my goodness.
She's a little cat. She probably couldn't nurse very many.
Oh.
That's probably why some of them died.
Yeah, probably.
Is Jolene? Did she come in?
Yeah.
I wanted to see what she.
Jolene come in.
She's in there eating.
Yeah.
They're exploring all over.
Buddy won't come in here.
It's a one-day treat.
He's still upset.
So we're back in below 90s.
Poor Beth.
What's the matter, buddy? Are you still pouting? Huh? Are you still pouting? Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You guys ready to get out? Yeah? Ready to fly this coop? Cogburn? I don't have, this is Cogburn the rooster. He don't crow. And he just follows me around looking for food. Boy. Hey, big boy. Oh, how you doing, big boy? How you doing? Huh? Come here. Come right here. Yeah. Say hi to the nice people on the video. Say hi to the nice people, Chief.
What?
Massive. I'm talking to the camera. Look at that thing. It's huge. It's twice the size of any other egg. I wonder if it's got a double yolk. Maybe tomorrow morning for breakfast we'll crack it open and find out. Thing's huge. So we've got these kitties at Ma's house that my aunt brought over. She found them. She found their mother was a stray, and she took her in and found out she was pregnant, and she had some kittens, and a couple of them died, but she has 2 left. But then they went on vacation, so they brought them over to Ma's house, and we're looking after them. Ma's looking after them mostly. But Buddy is not happy. He is not a happy camper at all about the kittens. So he's probably hiding under the bed, or he ran away from Chief. But we'll see. I think I got some pictures of the kittens this morning. I'll show you. But they're cute. They're very cute. But Buddy is not happy. There they are. There's Mama and the babies. Hello. They're asleep. Are you a big Cardinals fan, Chief? Get your bone. Where's your bone, Chief? Get your bone. Get your bone. Bring me your bone. Bring me your bone. Bring it here. Or just lay down and chew on it. Whatever. Get it. Alright, so Dad had a flat on his truck yesterday morning, and he took the tire in to try to get it patched, and it's not patchable. I don't think they patch them much anymore anyway. But now we gotta get the spare off, and we're gonna go to Lowe's this morning, get some stuff for the house. But I think he's out here trying to get the spare off and put it on himself, so I need to go help.